Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use the RdM Geo Slicer. First of all, if you download the script, it will give you this. You need to put it into Documents, Maya. The version of Maya should be working in Maya 2020 and 2022 or whatever Maya you're using. Go into Scripts and there you put the folder, okay? In the README, you will have this code. You need to go into here, in Python, you can click it to change it, or into the script editor and create a new Python tab and run it in there. Okay, there we have. This is the main tool. So first of all, we need to have a geometry that we want to slice, and we can do like a circle in X, we can do a circle in Y, we can do a circle in Z, we can do squares in case that we want the squares, and we can also do like custom linear ones, custom Bezier curves, and we can convert from edges. Let's say I want to do something like this. Oh, look. Something like this. I don't know. I can convert that into a line so I can use that. Okay. So for now, we'll just be using like from C. We're going to be slicing this kind of thing. Okay. We're going to be projecting from whatever I want. If I want to do it from C, if I want to do it from Y, or from X, or from the camera point of view. Okay. In this case, I'm going to be doing it for Y. First of all, this cannot make holes. If you want to do a hole, I will explain you how to do them like at the end of the video. It's not meant for doing holes, so don't buy it if you need to do holes unless you can manage to do like the trick I'm going to show you at the end, okay? So just select the curve, select the view, and we can slice it, okay? And as you can see, it's sliced. And you can also do like without filling the hole, so do, and it will be like empty, and you can do it without the separate. In any case you need it, there's the option, okay? So it's a complete, but it's like not separated at all, okay? This is still like two different views, but it's not doing the separate. So in case you need that, you can have that, okay? Then let's do like a normal one. So then you of course will need to clean the geometry because this is giving you a lot of vertices and a lot of stuff. So what you will be using is this kind of tools on the bottom, okay? So if you need to connect, select two vertex and connect the vertex, okay? In this case I don't have like a vertex, I can delete this one, I can go into this, or I can use the multi-cut if I need to, so I can just manually go into the tool and do it, okay? I will recommend using the connect. You cannot press G to do like the repeat command because it's a user interface, and with Qt you cannot use G, so you need to click the button, and there you go. In case, for example, I have like, let me go back, I have something like this. If you want to merge it, you can use the merge tool, so this one, go into this one, and there you are, and this merge. Let's finish connecting these ones. Then you have the insert edge loop. If you need to do the like, you can do like this, or I have like some, I have these ones, okay? So it's like the tools to do like whatever you need to do to make this look pretty, okay? Okay, on the bottom too. In the bottom we can do something like, for example, we have the poke. We can do this and we can poke it. It's a little nasty. In this case we can have the quadrangulate. It's trying to make quads out of the selection. What it's doing is actually using the Maya quadrangulate, so it's nothing fancy. You can also go to triangulate, then quadrangulate, it's the exact same thing this is doing. Then you have the center pivot, delete history, and the first transforms, and you will need to like do the UVs, so there you have the UVs. Okay, in any case that you need to do a hole, that was the whole situation that I mentioned you. What happening is this: whenever you're using the tool, you are not doing anything fancy, you are just like accessing Maya tools in a simple way. So what it's doing is actually projecting the curve into the surface, but as you may see in here, okay, like I need to move this one, so let me do it again to make sure it's on top. Okay, it's because this one work with the, sorry, mesh, project with the box. Is projecting from one of these. In this case I want CX, so pop. It's creating two curves as you can see in here. The tool is only accessing this one. So what you will need to be doing is using the manual tab. Okay, so do it this. If you project it from Y, you will be generating two curves. You need to select one of these and the cube, and you can do the slice. This will give you another curve. Okay, and as you can see, I have on the bottom the slice. Okay, so now what you need to do is do another projection, because this thing was connected to the first cube. So now we need to do another one from the bottom to the top in the new cube. Okay, I can delete this one and I will do stuff like this. So project, and now I just need to pick this one, and we could do the slicing. Okay, so now I have the hole. That's the way of doing holes. It's a little bit messy, but you can do it. Okay, it's nothing like to be worried about. Then you can do like a bridge. Where's the bridge? And you now have holes. Okay, then you can delete the history. You can do separate in case that you are not doing holes, in case you are doing like something like this. You have the steps in here. You can do fill holes in case this has holes, doesn't have any holes. So oops, my collapse. And you can do bevels. Okay, that's the way of doing it, but I will recommend using the tool, especially for doing stuff like this, like slicing geometries from this one is from X, so we can do stuff like this. Okay, this is the main idea of the tool. In case you need to do holes, you know how to do them, but take that into your consideration. Okay, that will be the video. It's really easy to use, really not fancy at all, but it's a way accessible form of doing that without doing a lot of steps. Okay, that will be the video. Hope you like it and enjoy using it. Bye.